Hey everyone, this is the sunset makeup tutorial using the Sailor Moon and Colourpop makeup collection. First, take a fluffy brush and a light nude shadow and place a wash of color on the brow bone. Then, taking the color Justice with a fluffy brush, place the color above the crease area. After that, take a flat brush and pack the shade Tuxedo Rose onto the eyelid area and bring it up to the color above. Then take a fluffy brush and blend the colors together. Then take a flat brush and pack the shade Love on the eyelid on top of Tuxedo Rose. Then with a small fluffy brush, take the shade Miracle Romance and line your lower eyelid. Then take the same shade with a fluffy brush and place it on the outer third of the eyelid. With the tiny eyeliner brush, take the shade Full Moon and place it on the inner corner of your eyelid. Next, I'm going to put on the rest of my face, and then we're going to finish up this look. Place the blush shade From the Moon on your cheeks. Then last, but not least, place the Ultra Blotted Lip Gloss in the shade Usagi on your lips. Put on some eyelash inserts if you want, and your look is complete. Thanks for watching! And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.